Hello everyone. So I'm going on a little date night tonight, so let's get ready together. So for my outfit, I'm planning to wear this beautiful little dress that's giving very floral, very feminine, very late summery kind of vibe. And for my jewelry, I've got this few beautiful pieces from this brand called Luisa Jewelry. So first of all, I've got this beautiful dual pendant necklace. This kind of dual pendant is like very trendy right now and it's very dainty and also giving very feminine kind of look. Let me try it on for you guys. And also, I just realized that it goes perfectly with my dress. Wow, and very lightweight as well. And second, I've got this exciting little earring set. So it comes with this two plain hoops and you get this three little charms with it. So you can like mix and match. You can wear these two together, this alone, or you can use these two together, this alone, or you can use this and this, or this and this. If I'm calculating correctly, there's like 6 different kind of ways you can wear it, but don't come at me, I don't want to use my brain right now. Let me see how it looks. That's one ear, and then on the other I'm gonna use these two together, and this is how it looks like on. And the third piece I have is a ring. This is very pretty and very elevated, but also you can wear this on everyday basis. So these were the three pieces that I got today, and all of the Ana Luisa jewelry pieces are very affordable and very high quality. They start at $39 and all of their jewelry have 2 years warranty. So if you're on a hunt for super affordable high quality pieces, then I have a link on the description down below so that you can stop on their website and get 30% off your order. And now let's move on to makeup. And for this part, it's going to be voiceover me explaining my thought process while doing my makeup. And today we're starting with some color correction. And this was the last product I believe released by Becca, which brings me to think that is this product expired? Then I thought half of my makeup is already expired anyway. So I took this concealer brush and lightly applied that corrector under my eyes. And you can already see how bright my under eye looks. After that, I used this Joah Beauty concealer as a base for my eyeshadow and also to conceal this little acne that's always there to decorate my face. Then I took this brush. It is an eyeshadow brush, but I like how it blends my concealer, so I just use it for that now. And once all of my imperfections has been slayed, it's time for my eyeshadow. And today I'm going to be using this Sephora Color Shifter palette, and then I'm going to be using these two bottom shades. I wanted to do a pinkish eyeshadow look today because my dress was green and I absolutely love the green and pink combo. So here I'm just blending that Bobbi Brown color on my crease, and I'm taking a big fluffy brush to blend everything and make it look seamless. And after that, I felt like it was not giving what it was supposed to give, so I just took my trusted Jason Wu palette and then I mixed these 4 shades together to darken my crease a little. Then I took my concealer and my concealer brush because we are doing a little cut crease eyeshadow look today. And I had not done this in a long time, so I was having some skill issues, but I somehow managed to nail the look. And I did the same thing on the other eye, and look at me being a sustainable queen and applying that excess on my under eyes. And little did I know that my $1 million smile would cause such a blunder. My eyeshadow was ruined. But I try to keep a positive note today, and what if one eye is ruined, the other eyes look perfect anyways. And there's nothing in this world that a little bit of blending cannot fix. So to keep that from happening again, I quickly set the concealer with some white powder. Not that kind of white powder, I'm talking about eyeshadow of course. Oh my god, somebody's in a goofy mood. But then after it looked okay, I top it off with that gorgeous baby pink color and pat it all over my eye, and did the same thing on the other eye. And then I took some darker shades from that same Jason Wu palette and then applied it on the outer parts of my eyes. And after that was blended, I took a clean brush and made sure that there are no harsh lines by going in a little circular motion. After I was pretty happy with how it looked, I moved on to eyeliner, and I'm using this one by WetnWild. And what I'm doing is, wow, so professional, we can see everything. But what I'm doing is I'm just drawing a thin line across my lash line, and then I drew a small line for the wing, and then I'm connecting my wing with that thin lash line, and then it creates a winged eyeliner. And now it's time for my face. And then for my foundation, I'm gonna be using this Bobbi Brown Skin tint. And here I was looking around for my makeup palette, but I couldn't find it, so I just decided to be disgusting and use this eyeshadow palette instead. And here is some blending ASMR for you. And after some blending, I could visibly see that my foundation was changing color and separating. And oh my god, at this point I was really contemplating if I should wash my face and redo everything. But since we're on a positive note today, I just hope that my concealer would fix it. So I took this Huda Beauty concealer, which I absolutely love, and I applied it under my eyes and on the high parts of my face, which is my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And I also applied a little bit of leftovers underneath my cheekbone to give it a little bit more definition. And for blending it, I'm using this synthetic brush by Sephora Collection. And always I like to start off by blending the edge of my under eye concealer, and then I move on to under my eyeliner to give it a sharper look. And I like to blend my under eyes the last because I get a little bit more fuller coverage if I let it sit for some time. And then after doing some blending, my makeup was still looking patchy, so I thought maybe blending the brush streaks by using a beauty blender might help a little. And yes, it was looking a little better. So to set everything in place, I took my Fit Me powder by Maybelline. I poured it on the back of my powder cap, and then I dipped my powder puff in it, and oh, that was way too much. So I tapped the excess on the back of my hands and then packed the powder under my eyes, and with the excess I just set my face. And then for my eyebrows, I'm taking my absolute favorite Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil. I like it because it has the skinny spoolie on one side and then skinny pencil on one side, and I think it is self-explanatory. I just filled in my brows, and then after doing that, I just took a little bit of powder to set it as well, because my eyebrows, they tend to get oily throughout the day, and then this will stop that from happening. And I just brushed the powder in. And after that, for my face, I took my Anastasia bronzer, and oh my god, this is pigmented. I just took some and then I stamped it on my cheekbones and then on my forehead a little bit, just to give it a little snatch look and a little bit of color on my face. And for my blush, I'm using this one from Sephora Collection. If I had to pick one blush that I wanted to take with me, then this would be the blush, because it's such a gorgeous shade and I just love how it is so subtle and buildable. As you can see, I'm going back and forth, and it never looks overdone, and it just complements my skin tone so beautifully. And here you can see that I was thinking if I should add highlighter, but the blush is looking so luminous that I decided to skip it and then move on to my eyelashes. Then I curled my lashes using this Shiseido lash curler. If you want to invest in a good curler, then let it be this one, because this is the only thing that can curl my lashes and make it last throughout the day. Then I use my one and only Loreal telescopic mascara to coat my lashes. I just love this mascara because whenever I use this, I don't have to put on any falsies. I mean, just look at the results. Just let the results talk, you know. And after that, it was time for my lips. And today I took this Morphe lip liner in the shade Love Bite, and I lined my lips. And since that liner color matched my eyeshadow a little, I decided to fill in my lips with that same color as well. And then for the actual color for my lips, I just decided to keep it a little bit matte today. So I'm using this Maybelline Super Matte Ink. No, I don't know which is this, but it's something from Maybelline. I'm sorry, I forgot the name, but I just filled my lip using that color. And then I finally set my face using MAC Fix Plus spray. And I know it's not a setting spray, but it's a fixing spray, but I like the finish how it gives luminous finish even with all that powder. So when it was drying, I just decided to add a little bit of this pink eyeshadow powder under my eyes to make that balance happen, and I was done with my makeup. So I just put on my dress, and this is how it looks like on, and my jewelry matches perfectly with it. Everything came together. We had a rough patch, but everything came together at the end. Also, don't forget to shop my link in the description down below for Luisa jewelry, and until then, I'll see you all next time. Bye.